Hi, this is the LENOVO Tab Extreme and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and then drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you wanna add here more application, by the same way, just hold the app and drag it to a folder. To rename it, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. If you want to move folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from the folder to your home screen, hold the app and drag it to the home screen by this way. Just hold and drag, and also you could remove the application from here just by hold and tap to remove icon, but don't worry, you will stay with the application here in the apps menu. You will remove it only from the home screen. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.